So I'm going to demonstrate how to use this black ball. First, put it onto your sit bone, massage it, and going over to your hamstring, side to side, and work on your glutes, sacrum, and then at your upper back, roll it forward and back, supporting your head, your shoulder, and side, arm, and then we work on the other side. Shoulder, arm, and the second ball. It's great for a little deeper work. So you can stay here as long as you want to release the tension, tightness in your hips. This is a little softer version of hip. Work on the side. This is great for tension headache. So you have a pillow here. Put it onto your, move the ball, tension, and you stay here as long as you want to. Release tension, tightness, and move it to another spot. If this is too hard, then we use the softer version. And you can also use different ball, like this, the back. Then we have the pink ball into different spots of your body. If you want it a little higher, to move it up. You can also move your arm, put all different kinds of balls underneath your traps. Work it. And this is a complete set. This ball here, let's see, I have this and this. These are great for your feet. This is a softer version and a harder version. And this is also another medium. The pink ball, good for opening up the space, the toe. These are all the balls from made in Italy, and they are genuine massage balls. Thank you.